Recording.
Good morning, day 55. Ooh, I can hear myself really clearly, which means I forgot to put my earplugs in. Alright, that'll be done at the next gas stop, which is not this one. I have tons of gas. Okay. Update, yes. Hung out with my friend for a couple days and kind of like rested and recharged and chatted, talked to other humans. Hung out with some really cute kids. And now I'm riding away. This is Stowe, Massachusetts. Next big stop, or actually it's not a stop, it's a ride. I'm heading for the Blue Ridge Parkway, which is 10 hours away. I don't think I'll get there today. I am kind of hoping to get somewhere close to that late-ish tonight so that I can wake up tomorrow morning and ride the Appalachian Trail. So that's the plan. And as with every plan, make room for things to go awry and roll with it and just keep going. Keep going. Oh gosh, that was nice. That was nice recharge. Really good for the arthritis in my hands to not ride for a day. Yeah, because I've been getting, I have probably repetitive stress kind of issues starting to happen with my hands, where they go numb and fall asleep pretty often. I have to like constantly let go of the handlebar, and I actually do clearly look, I can take my hands entirely off of the handlebar and I'm still going, so this is, well, not the throttle, but I have, it's a little bit of something I just sometimes have to just deal with, even though I do have a loose screwdriver grip, as Jocelyn Snow would call it, a gentle screwdriver grip. This is still just a lot of riding for many hours every day. So, and I'm, of an age that I have arthritis. So, whatever, man. Whatever. Keep going. All right, y'all. Talk to you later.
Recording.
This, I think, is most of my day today. Just lots of intermittent showers and freeway. Temperature's great. It's 74 degrees. And I think if I was standing still, it'd probably be too hot because the humidity makes that 74 feel like 80. Well, 80's fine. Yeah, So this might be my day. Just making tracks and keep moving southwest.
Recording.
I'm not quite sure what state I'm in, but it's pretty.
Recording.
Oh, I figured out it's New York, upstate New York. So you can look up where the Walden, New York is. It's pretty.
Recording.
I think I'm entering Pennsylvania. Also very pretty. Coming over a little mountain. Thousands of mountains. Appreciating the amazing clouds after rain. Appreciating how good the highway pavement is. appreciate a tree-lined highway. It really keeps the wind down. A lot less crossing wind. Passing the truck? Yeah. Passing the I think you're probably gonna pass it. Oh yeah. Oh, sorry. I guess that was still upstate New York. Now it says welcome to Pennsylvania. You know, they wasn't saying that for the other states because I basically just rode from Massachusetts to Connecticut, I think, for a minute. Upstate New York, and now Pennsylvania. And that was the first time I saw anything on the highway indicating, yeah, across the state line. Pretty clouds. That's right. Okay, that's
Recording.
Use the left 2 lanes to take the I-81 south exit toward Wilkes-Barre.
Recording.